Okay, but my name is Byron Edwards, and I'm going to show you how to draw a bird. Okay. If you draw like this, you draw a little triangle inside the bird, see? There. And you draw two tiny dots for the eyes, like that. There, okay. Then you draw the wings. Came out. So then you've drawn the wings there, see? Then you draw a tiny bit of hair on there around its body. And then that's really it. It's very easy. Oh yeah, and then you just do the legs and the feet. Ta-da! That's it. See there. Please like and subscribe and comment on the video, and go to my channel, please, would you? And with the dots above my head, and watch my other videos. And one last word to say.